Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la la. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I did just get off of work, so I'm sorry if I look a little rough, but we are doing a Q&A, so let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Vibing with Paris. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back, and thanks for staying tuned. So in this video, we're gonna do something a little different. Doing a Q&A so that y'all can get to know me better, because y'all like, who is this girl posting these videos? And you're not really too much, y'all engaged, but you're not engaged because you just haven't caught the vibe of me yet. So that is the purpose of this video. So I came up with a few questions on my own, so that y'all can get to know me a little bit better. Now, before I do get any further, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, so that you don't miss any new posts or new uploads, and hit that notification bell. Alright, so I got my iPad here, and I'm going to start off. So my name is Paris. That hints vibing with Paris. But just in case you didn't know, yes, my name is Paris. Born September 28th. So by the time you see this video, it will be my birthday, my 31st birthday. Yay! I've been married for 12 years, and I have 4 beautiful children and a handsome husband. You did probably see him in the previous video with the fireplace. Yep, that's my husband. My favorite color is purple, but lately I've been rocking black. Like, black has been my go-to, and it goes with everything just about, so I do wear black a lot. In my spare time, I do like to watch movies. I like to lay in bed, watch movies, or lay in bed and watch TikTok videos. If it's family time, I do like to go out with my family, but if it's just me relaxing, yeah, videos, watch movies and stuff. Let's see, I was born in Brooklyn, raised in North Carolina, and currently reside in Georgia. Let's get more into about my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel is pretty much gonna be lifestyle, hair tutorials, vlogs, things like that. If you like to see other things, just let me know, and I'll be happy to try to pull that content out and get it out for you guys. With the plan on, my plan is to get videos uploaded Tuesday and Thursday, at least twice a week. Or if I do post once a week, it either be on a Tuesday or a Thursday, which gives me time to edit videos and get it out for you guys. My biggest fear with starting this YouTube channel is not getting the engagement. Like, I do watch the analytics, I do look at my analytics, and I do see that like 90% of people that do watch my videos are not subscribers. And I do understand that you got to get a feel for a person before you can, like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna rock with them, subscribe, okay? So I do understand that. Will I be giving my real personality or a fake personality? I will be giving you the real. I'm an introvert, so doing this video is kind of hard for me, but I'm loosening up. I'm getting the hang of it, so yeah. The type of YouTubers I do watch like Face Over Matter, Naturally Sunny, Talitha Jane, and let's see, Brony, a list of other YouTubers that I love to watch. But yeah, those are a few of the YouTubers that I do watch. How did I come up with my YouTube name? My YouTube name was first Paris P, which is something I've been had set for myself because I've been wanted to do YouTube, just was too scared to start it. But then my husband came up with the name Vibes with Paris. He said, well, I don't really see that on there like that, so he came up with my name. And that sums up the Q&A for today. So if you do have any questions, or if you want to get to know more about me, don't be afraid to put it in the comments below, because I will be happy to answer them and do a video on it. Now, if you want to see a video on the equipment that I use, how I edit my YouTube videos and things like that, let me know below, and I'll be happy to roll that content out for you as well. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos. It really means a lot. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.